Honestly, it started out really innocently. I actually met her on YouTube, and she caught my eye with her long flowing dovetail. We went for a few walks. I was tentative at first, but when we finally touched, it was like magic. I couldn't believe it was happening. It all seemed way too fast. Too perfect. She fit my requirements like a glove. I mean, she's incredibly strong, really quick to reproduce, and she just has very little tolerance. Can I say that? I haven't even thought about other joints since we first met, because I know none of them really compare. And I can't stop thinking about her when we're apart. Her delicate curves, her 45-degree posture, her tapered waist. She just fits in perfectly and with ease. We're already picking out colors. She actually wants me to meet her parents, which I'm kind of nervous about. Honestly, I never thought I would fall for a scarf tapered sliding dovetail joint. But here we are. And I love her. Is this wrong? Oh, there she is right now. Hey, you're awfully quiet. No, seriously, say something. Jiminy clitoris, that was weird. Come here. Welcome to my corner of the garage. My heavenly corner. I've got two 3D printers. They're both Bambu Lab. I'm not saying that Bambu Lab's better than yours. Jesus. My point is, this is your print bed, right? It's 256 millimeters this way, that way, in height as well. Both of these are. Which means you can't print something super long like this. I designed this Easter decor a couple weeks ago. I was in a hobby store and I saw somebody that had designed something like this. They were selling these and it was made of wood and plastic. And so I'm not taking credit for this design, but I thought I could take a picture of that, go home and see if I can design it myself, just as a way of practicing my CAD skills and Fusion. So I did, and what I like about it is I made mine so it's modular. You could just pop these Easter eggs out and put other ones in because of the tolerances are so tight. So I'm kind of working on a neutral colored one up here as well. Well, again, the problem is the base. In fact, this one I used a scarf joint, just a regular scarf joint, but it's flimsy. When you take all the eggs off, the whole thing can just kind of collapse because of the way that joint is. So I needed a better solution. Plus it required having to put supports in for that joint. I don't like supports. I'm very anti-support. So I needed a better solution to print this. So what I did is I discovered this slotted scarf, dovetail, tapered joint, whatever I said earlier. And I made it work really well for this. And now it can print in these two pieces with no supports because of the angles. It doesn't require any, the overhang here is not too much that it requires a support. And then they just both slide together really easily. What's awesome about it is because of the taperedness of this, and that it's thinner up here and wider at here, it's easier to catch the taper when you're putting it together. And then you just snap it together. If you needed to, you could unsnap it and store it, but that is really, really strong. I mean, it's almost as if it's one piece. It requires no glue, requires no supports. It's almost flawless. And now I could put my eggs on there and my Easter sign is complete without any joints or glue. Pretty awesome. So now you're thinking, so Zion, are you gonna actually, oops, tripped over a cat. You're gonna actually teach us how to do this or what? And my first answer is, hold your freaking horses. I'm gonna do it in this video here. Well, actually the video that's about to pop up. The reason why is because most of you are gonna bail on this video because it gets technical. And that's okay. You don't have to have technical skills to enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next video. But those who want to see how I do it, watch this video and I'll walk you through it. It's a great little joint for making things strong. Also, the Easter sign is available in the link below for free. Bye.